We are representing Kaz Software. It's one of the oldest software development firm from Bangladesh and representing the nation. What we particularly do is provide custom software solution, but for the past 3 years and so, we have been working and developing around AI and providing solutions for people and also impactful projects, right? AI for kids is one of the most pioneer solution that we are providing. It's a mobile application, and then kids start, the age group starting from 5 to 11, they speak to AI. Uh, Obviously, the data, the AI that collects is strictly confidential, and the AI is really secured. They have their own imaginary chat with the AI, and then the AI helps these children with effective communication build their own books, right? So a kid who's growing up can actually have their books done. They're their own authors, right?
Right. So basically, at VivaTech, what do VivaTech be going to bring to your activity?
Operating for the last 20 years or so, we have been working across 4 continents, 28 plus industries. One thing VivaTech is offering us is that the global stage that you can connect with as many people, as many nations, and then, provide your solutions and then bring the money back home, right? It's an amazing platform. We wish to come back every other year. This year is for the first time. We have been repping Kaz Software. It's amazing, totally amazing.
Great. So thank you for being here, and my pleasure to share this interview on my YouTube channel. And thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you so much, Andrea. It has been nice speaking to you. You have been amazing, and best wishes for the amazing firm, the consulting firm that you have. I will definitely see it online. Thank you, Andrea.